Welcome to Better Ways of Life. Do for others what you want them to do for you. If you want others to respect you, you should respect others. If you want others to be kind with you, you should be kind with others. When you expect some characteristics from others, first of all, you should have it. When you help someone in need, you will be helped by someone when you are in need. You should be the example of what you expect from others. When you don't do something good to others, you should never expect anything good from others. If you want to get good things, you should do good to others. And when you get good things in return to that, you should do good to others. This will make both you and the one helped by you happy. This is what you need to do to get a happy life. You should always help others in some way. This will make you feel happy from inside. Don't ever make others unhappy. Try your best not to irritate others. We should always make others happy and be happy. When you expect something from others, show them by doing that so that they may try to fulfill your expectation. When you don't have something, don't expect others to have it. Don't get angry if others can do something when you can't do it. Only if you can do something, you can ask others to do it. If you ask someone to do something you can't do, don't get angry when they say they can do it because you too can't do it. Instead, find a way to do it and teach them. When you can't do something, you have to learn to do it. Only then you can expect it from others. And when others don't know to do something you do, teach them. When others know something you don't know to do, ask them to teach you. They may teach you if they expect you to do that. So always do for others what you want them to do for you. Follow this to get a better life. Have a wonderful life.